Cell othering onto glass surface is option A B cell, option B T cell, option C macrophages, option D lymphocyte. Answer is option C macrophages. Mycosis fungoids, peripheral T cell lymphoma etc. involve option A CD4 cells, option B CD8 cells, option C CD3 cells, option D all. Answer is option A CD4 cells. Cells carrying out immune surveillance and provide protection against malignant and virus infected cells are option A NK cells, option B macrophages, option C microphages, option D lymphocyte. Answer is option A NK cells. Epithelioid cells originate from option A mononuclear macrophages, option B microphages, option C multinucleated cells, option D bone marrow. Answer is option A mononuclear macrophages. Dendritic cells are present in option A peripheral areas of spleen, option B liver, option C small intestinal mucosa, option D none. Answer is option A peripheral areas of spleen. Skin macrophages are called option A Langerhans cells, option B eosinophils, option C basophils, option D dendritic cell. Answer is option A Langerhans cells. Langerhans cells are present in option A skin, option B islets of Langerhans, option C spleen, option D lymph node. Answer is option A skin. All nucleated cells have on the surface option A HLA class 1 antigen, option B HLA class 2 antigen, option C HLA class 2 antigen, option D both A and B. Answer is option A HLA class 1 antigen. HLA typing is done serologically by option A microcytotoxicity, option B agglutination, option C precipitation, option D none. Answer is option A microcytotoxicity. Mixed leukocyte reaction is caused by option A HLA class 2 molecules, option B HLA class 1 molecules, option C immunocompetent leukocyte, option D none. Answer is option A HLA class 2 molecules. Complementary determining regions are present on option A surface of plasma cell, option B surface of macrophages, option C immunoglobulin, option D TCR. Answer is option C immunoglobulin. In immunological paralysis, option A no antibodies are formed, option B abnormal antibodies are formed, option C high levels of antibodies are formed, option D minute amount of antibody is formed. Answer is option A no antibodies are formed. Gram-negative bacilli show adjuvant effect due to option A lipopolysaccharide fraction, option B polysaccharide fraction, option C peptide fraction, option D all. Answer is option A lipopolysaccharide fraction. The drug cyclosporine is widely used for option A immunosuppression, option B immunoprophylaxis, option C cancer therapy, option D none. Answer is option A immunosuppression. Drug derived from soil fungus Tolypocladium inflatum. Option A cyclosporine, option B cephalosporin, option C greasephulvin, option D gentamicin. Answer is option A cyclosporin. Children with any type of primary immunodeficiency shouldn't be given option A live microbial vaccine, option B killed microbial vaccine, option C oral vaccines, option D all. Answer is option A live microbial vaccine. DiGeorge syndrome is a option A B cell defect, option B T cell defect, option C combined B and T cell defect, option D none. Answer is option C combined B and T cell defect. In Hodgkin's disease, dash is suppressed. Option A, CMI. Option B, AMI. Option C, both AMI and CMI. Option D, bone marrow. Answer is option A, CMI. Ataxia telangiectasia is a dash defect. Option A, T cell. Option B, B cell. Option C, complement. Option D, combined B and T cell. Answer is option D, combined B and T cell. Chidiac-Hikashi syndrome and Job syndrome are disorders of option A, complement. Option B, phagocytosis. Option C, T cell. Option D, B cell. Answer is option B, phagocytosis.